Hey y'all, so if you follow me on TikTok, you know I'm always getting comments about how to set prices for services so you can actually pay yourself. So I came up with the pricing calculator in the You Deserve a Paycheck format, and it's going to show you how you can calculate the cost of each service that you provide, combine that with how much you're paying for your space, and you're going to be able to estimate how much your hourly rate is based on an 8-hour workday with 4 clients. And it's also going to help you price your services so you can actually get a paycheck, because you deserve a paycheck. So what I'm doing here is I'm just entering in some of the products that I would use to create a basic full set. This is just an example, guys. So, you know, when you get the worksheets, you can do it how you want to do it with your actual cost of your products. And it explains in the instructions how you can figure out how many services you get from each product. That's really the main thing you need to know to be able to calculate this properly. It's going to give you a good ballpark of what it's costing you to provide your main services, and show you if you're actually making a profit or if you're pretty much just working for free or less than minimum wage. If you're running your business like a business, you should definitely be able to pay yourself a livable wage. And this is what the main goal of this was. This is why I created this. I know how hard it is in the beauty industry to do this as a full-time job, a full-time career, a full-time business. So I wanted to make something that will help everyone calculate their pricing more easily and actually pay themselves, and see if this is even a viable business for them. Because if you're charging $25 for sets of nails, like, you know, a lot of the clients want us to, are you really even making any money? You will do this worksheet and figure out you're probably not making any money if your prices are set really, really low like that. And that's just the reality of it. So I'm just gonna fill in here just some random pricing for these products, and then I'm gonna do some random calculations about how many services I can get out of each product, and I'm just gonna go down the list. And as you can see, every time I enter in the services per item, it changes that number down at the bottom, which is adding up the total cost that it's going to cost you each time you do one of these services. The more products you use, the more the service price is going to go up. And the fewer services you can get out of one item, the higher the price will be. And you can put your monthly rent for your space. If you're setting your own prices, you're probably paying for your own space. So yeah, and right here, I was actually, I was on step 3 and I should have been on step 4. But this is where you change your service down here. So you see, based on what we've calculated up above, charging $25 an hour would only put you at $8.79. $50 an hour, $50 for service price would put you at $21, $75, $33. You get the math. So you can play around with this and enter in numbers to get you where you feel like you'd be able to actually make a profit and pay yourself. Otherwise, if you're doing services for really, really cheap and your hourly rate is low, you're going to have an hourly rate that's kind of like either right around minimum wage or below minimum wage. And if you have responsibilities, business responsibilities, personal responsibilities, bills, things like that, even kids, that's just not going to cut it. You're going to end up having to work 2 jobs or something like that. Even if you work from home, you should shy away from setting your prices super low just because you work from home, because unless you are getting your products for free or getting your space for free, you still cannot afford to give nails away for $25 an hour. And on the work from home worksheet, you enter in your square footage of your whole home, and then you enter in the square footage of your space. So it can calculate what your space itself is costing you in relation to how much you pay for your entire home. And then at the bottom, it's the same thing. You go down there and you put in what you actually charge for this service or what you're thinking about charging for this service, and you can see what you would be making per hour. So if you want the worksheet, it is in the link in the description, and I'll see y'all next time.